Sweden, the land of Vikings, endless forests, and that special kind of peace you only find far from the big cities. Recently, I visited my family on a trip to Örebro on the beautiful Swedish countryside, and it turned out to be one of the most beautiful, memorable journeys I've ever had. They have a charming little family cabin tucked deep in the woods, and there's something magical about being surrounded by these big, tall pine trees, breathing crisp air and hearing nothing but birds and the occasional rustle of leaves. It felt like stepping into a storybook. Every day we explore the lush forests around us. The Swedish countryside is incredibly green and alive. We spent hours hiking on soft moss-covered trails, breathing in that wonderful pine smell, and just enjoying the simple freedom of being in nature together. One of the highlights was foraging for chanterelle mushrooms. The forest floors were full of them. We wandered through the woods with our baskets, searching for those bright, golden treasures hidden among the leaves. And there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of finding a perfect patch and bringing home fresh mushrooms for dinner. Good job. You guys don't have to wait. In our busy lives back home, it's rare to find this kind of unhurried time together. Sweden reminded me just how good that feels. And of course we ate very well. Classic Swedish food, hearty meatballs with lingonberry sauce, crisp bread, and those amazing cinnamon buns you find everywhere. Everything tasted better after a long day in the forest. Even simple meals felt special. This trip to Örebro in the Swedish countryside was more than just a vacation. It was a reminder of what matters most: family, nature, good food, slowing down. If you ever get a chance to visit this part of Sweden, take it. The forests, the history, and the peace are just worth every mile. So until the next adventure, from the land of the Vikings, tack så mycket. Thank you for watching. And I know I butchered that.